The only 4Runner in the Truck Hero booth is directly behind us. I'm Katie Osborne for Truck Hero. Alongside me is Eric Gardner from N-FAB. Eric, why is this 4Runner in the booth?
4Runner's here because we're releasing our new TrailSlider. So it's our first go at a true rock slider. It's a frame-mounted slider. We're using heavy-duty 94,000 steel tubing with 3/16 gussets, so it's very strong, mounts to the frame, no drill installation. It should be really good.
Where would you take this 4Runner?
This is a Moab 4Runner. I would take it to Moab, Utah.
I could see how it would be actually picturesque with the coloring against it too. Why is this product used so heavily in the market these days?
Well, I mean, a true rock slider is going to protect the undercarriage of the vehicle when you're going off-road and doing some rock climbing and things like that.
Totally.
Traditionally, N-FAB has only made steps to get in and out, so this is kind of a hardcore design people have asked for over the years, and we're finally coming out with something.
When can buyers expect to see it?
Q1 of 2020 is when we're going to release it.
All right, for all the details, make sure you check out truck-hero.com.